Biali Kintika, Makwali Glenesi. How you guys doing? Good morning. I'm gonna do some more. I'm gonna show you some more Nahuatl. And this, I'm gonna break it down from this book. Okay. And let's begin. Let's make it quick and simple. Okay. Ni Tlatoa, I speak. Ti Tlatoa, you speak. And then Tlatoa, right? Tlatoa means they speak. Okay. So the three words, the three words that we learn today, it's Nitlatoa, Titlatoa, Tlatoa. It's three. Say Omaye. Okay. If you like more, I will try to be posting more videos probably once a week. Okay. If you like me to speak about culture and more history, or just keep it Nahuatl, please comment below. All right. And that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.